Breaking: Ekiti Magistrate Court claims ruling on Dele Farotimi'S bail application missing, left at home. This country is just a joke. A big joke. You left your ruling at home. What were you thinking? You don't have personal assistant that will help you to check all of that before you left your house. It's because they called him. He now said, he forgot his ruling at home. You forgot it at home indeed. I mean, they have told you what to say. The Ekiti State Magistrate Court in Ekiti on Friday morning shockingly claimed that his ruling on the bail application filed by human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi is missing. How can it be missing? You say be missing now. Because obviously you don't know your job and you don't take it seriously. Because how would you be looking for the ruling in the morning? You did not prepare. The court is slated to give his ruling on the bail application filed by Farotimi today, Friday morning. However, Sahara reporters gathered that the sitting magistrate claimed that he could not find his ruling and adjourned the hearing again for a short period. This Nigeria, the kind of people that we have in position of power. You see that you don't know your job, or you don't know that you want to go and rule a judgment. Is that not the first thing that you should take from your house? You are not saying that you forgot it. No shame. Embarrassing yourself up and down, saying you forgot the ruling. The magistrate said his ruling note is missing, and for this he is taking a break. A source inside the court sitting told Sahara reporters. The kangaroo magistrate expressed embarrassment for appearing in court without the ruling on Dele Farotimi'S bail application, claiming it had been left at home, and you are saying it. No shame. A truly astonishing turn of events today. Free Dele Farotimi now, prominent human rights activist Omoyele Sowore also tweeted. Sowore had earlier said the magistrate received a call while delivering the ruling, which made him stop. Obviously, they called him. You see that boy? Before you release him, tell him to pay 30 million naira. Tell him to drop his passport. Tell him to bring 2 shorties. And then you said, you left your ruling book at home. Something that is right in front of you. Lies. The same thing that this man said. Manipulation of the courts. Manipulation of the law. They called you. Are you supposed to even be taking calls when you want to give a judgment? Obviously, something has happened, even if it is not what we think it is, but that is what we are going to think it is. Why would they call you when you are about to make your ruling, and then all of a sudden you forgot your ruling at home? The kangaroo magistrate, while delivering the ruling on the application regarding the eligibility of a senior advocate of Nigeria to appear before a magistrate court and Dele Farotimi'S bail, received a phone call notification and promptly adjourned to his chambers to answer it. #Free Dele Farotimi now. Farotimi was arrested following a petition by a legal luminary, Chief Afebolola SAN. Sahara reporters learned that the trial court pronounced this ruling to grant Farotimi'S bail application on Friday morning. This comes barely after the same court initially denied the human rights lawyer constitutional freedom. The charge suit number MAD/1476.C/2024 pits the Ekiti State Commissioner of Police as the complainant against Farotimi as the defendant. Some of the charges read that you, Dele Farotimi M., sometimes in 2024, authored, published, and circulated your book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, which was received and read all over the world, including Ekiti within the Ekiti Magisterial District, wherein you stated at page IX of the book that Ààrẹ Afebolola corrupted the Supreme Court to procure a fraudulent judgment. Is that not what he did just now? The same thing he said, is that not what they did? Who knows if it was Afebolola that called, or somebody related to him that called the judge and said, tell them that you forgot your ruling book at home, and then you go back and make this judgment that we are about to tell you. Of course, he did not lie. He said, Ààrẹ Afebolola corrupted the Supreme Court to procure a fraudulent judgment in the service of his clients, which is likely to cause fear and alarm to the public or disturb the public peace, knowing or having a reason to believe that the statement is false, and thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 59, Subsection 1 of Criminal Code Act. That you, Dele Farotimi M., sometimes in 2024, authored, published, and circulated your book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, which was received and read all over the world, including Ekiti, within the Ekiti Magisterial District, wherein you stated as page X that Ààrẹ Afẹ́bọ̀lọ́lá, Olúdáramọ́lá, Olúfárọ̀, and the law offices of Afẹ́bọ̀lọ́lá and Co., Emmanuel Chambers, compromised the Supreme Court and the remaining semblance of integrity it might have had when they went back to the Supreme Court and got that court to swim in the sea of corruption and shameful self-abnegation, which is likely to cause fear and alarm to the public. And it's the same thing that Farotimi wrote in his book that is just happening, because how can you, as a judge, you want to go and make a judgment, you now forgot your ruling at home after receiving a call? Obviously, we know what is going on now. We know what is going on. Olonade Olukunle says they just want to be wicked to this man. So let the magistrate go home and bring the case file now. Or what is he doing in court without the case file of the person you want to administer his case? I wonder. I really wonder how you will not hold it. You want to administer somebody's case, you want to go and judge on his matter, and you are saying you forgot it at home. How? Wicked judge. One day, the judge of all judges will visit you, and then you will know the meaning of eternal damnation. Nnamdi Waigwe says, if further proves what he wrote in the book, Nigeria is a crime against humanity. Yes. Because for somebody to call you and then you left, you said, oh, you forgot your ruling at home. Obviously, they've called you to manipulate your ruling. That's exactly what happened. Titus Amaila says that's what his book is talking about, the Nigerian judiciary and its criminal justice. And it's showcasing itself in this case. Yes, so that is exactly what is doing. We don't even need any evidence again to know that, oh, what Dele Farotimi said is the truth. Udeme Cletus says the same thing he wrote in his book is playing out. No wonder the country is going down in every ticking second. Imagine this kind of injustice from the supposed temple of justice. But can't the magistrate send his driver to go home and fetch the forgotten bail application? He didn't forget anything. He did not forget anything. It's just a lie. He didn't forget anything. Arikwe Chudi says this is more reason we must call out these chronic corrupt judges, because majority of them, including this magistrate, have worked themselves to gutters. Yes, so they don't have the fear of God. They know that nobody will catch them, nobody will do anything to them. They just do anyhow they please. It is really well. Lawrence TV says the same country snakes swallow money, or abio, where they can tell us that snakes swallowed money. So anything they tell you, people believe it. Obviously, Dele Farotimi did not lie at all. Robinson says Nigeria can never work. What a country. Speak the truth and be jailed. Now, so no freedom of speech. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.